All right, so 2 years ago I got into a fight with some homeless people, which isn't the first time that's happened. And it was about Pyramid Lake, right outside Reno, Nevada. Everyone says it's salt water. It rusts boats, it kills motors. I've heard people tell me, oh, you know, my tongue fell off my trailer because I went in that lake, and all this other crap. And I think it's just junk. I don't think it's true. I think the lake's fine. It's just like anywhere else. So 2 years ago, I decided, let's prove it. So I took a gallon of water out of my well. I drove up to Lake Tahoe. I got a gallon of water out of there. And then I got a gallon of water out of Pyramid Lake. And the idea was to see what water rusts worse, or what have you. So that was 2 years ago. I gathered all the water and I put it in my house. And I put it in my house because in this crap hole town that my parents abandoned me in when I was 9, it freezes on Saturday and it's 100 on Sunday. So I couldn't have the plastic jugs freezing and breaking. It really wasn't their fault though. They were carnies. My mom was one of those bearded ladies who ran the ring toss game. My dad didn't have a beard. He also ran the ring toss game. I was conceived underneath a Ferris wheel. But anyways, it's been 2 years. I forgot to put metal in the water. And that's what we're gonna do today. But something interesting did happen with the water, and I'll show you. There's my well water. And there's the Lake Tahoe water. Now my well water here is really dirty. So I would assume that the Lake Tahoe water would be way cleaner. But apparently, not so much. But the real story here, and this proves nothing about rust, is the Pyramid Lake water. Oh, it's disgusting. Mind you, these jugs were completely cleaned before I filled them with water. Look at that. That is so nasty. That's on the inside. That's the water. So, let's complete this science experiment. I kind of don't even want to open this one. Okay, that's in there too. Okay, so now we wait. And maybe we'll check these bolts every 6 months or so. Or whenever I remember, if I remember. And we will finally put to rest which water rusts metal worse. So if you want to see this, subscribe. I need more subscribers to this channel. This science project, it cost me like $10,000. And if we keep doing science projects this expensive, I'm gonna go bankrupt. So like, subscribe, tell your friends. I tell mine, but I don't have any. Just that guy. See ya.